Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you dreaming of studying in USA but worried about tuition fees and expensive living costs? Well, I've got a great news for you. There are top US universities currently running fully funded scholarships for international students in 2025 to 2026 academic section. And guess what? You don't even need to pay IELTS or admission fees before you apply. This opportunity covers everything you need as an international student. It covers your tuition fee, your living expenses, your travel allowance, your monthly stipend, and accommodation. All you need to do if you're interested in this particular topic, all you need to do is to stick to this YouTube channel, because I'll walk you through on how you are going to apply for this particular scholarship. If you love more of this content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so that you will not miss the next update. Once you turn on the notification button, click the like button and also share this YouTube video to individuals who are interested in getting updates on traveling as an international student. Let me walk you through on how you can apply for this particular scholarship, these fundings that are associated with this particular school. The school we are actually talking about is what we know as the University. This University is actually located in USA. So as an international student, if you want to study for free or you want to acquire a scholarship to study as an international student, this is a wonderful scholarship for you to grab in this 2025-2026 academic section. This particular school is a Catholic school which is located in USA. They offer different fundings to undergraduate and graduate and postgraduate students who are interested in studying in their school. They offer several fundings and scholarships. So I'm going to walk you through to the scholarships and funding this school offers to international students. The first funding they offer to international students is what we know as the Graduate School University of Notre Dame. They offer fundings and awards to international students. That's your tuition fee is 100%, especially to doctorate degree students who want to acquire a degree in this particular university. They also offer scholarships to international students who are undergraduate students. So if you want a merit scholarship to be admitted as a first year student, you can grab this wonderful opportunity. You can also apply as a PhD student. They are going to grant you 100% tuition fee free. The scholarship is a fully funded scholarship they are going to offer to PhD students. So if you want to acquire a PhD degree in this particular university, you can go ahead and apply for it. They also offer grant and financial aids to international students. So once you come down to this particular website, the description for this website, the link for this website is going to be posted on the description button. You can go ahead and click on it. It's going to bring you to this particular school website. So this school offers fundings and academic opportunity to international students who want to apply for their school. All students accepted for admission who have completed their financial aid process are automatically considered for all university need-based scholarship. You can see what this school is actually offering to international students. Once you have applied for the school and you pass through your financial aid process, automatically this school is going to give you what we call a need-based scholarship. So this is a wonderful opportunity. If you want to study for free in USA, you can grab this particular opportunity. They have what we call merit-based scholarship and also fellowship for global affairs. This Notre Dame scholarship is automatically, so once you apply for their school, they will give you automatic scholarship, which is called the need-based scholarship. So as an international student, you can also grab this opportunity. Even as a law student, they also offer scholarship to you if you want to study as an international student. They have what we call study abroad scholarship and grant. So as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity. You can study there and they will grant you scholarship and financial aid to study in their school. So you can go ahead in this website. There are several scholarships you can apply for in this particular website. We are going to click one of the scholarships to know actually what this funding and scholarship entails. This is a wonderful scholarship if you want to study in their school. All you need to do is to go ahead and apply for it. So this university offers 3 types of primary education funding to graduate students. This their scholarship covers your tuition scholarship, assistantship, followership for policy governing funding. If you are interested in this particular scholarship, you can just go ahead on this website and read through and understand what this scholarship is all about. They have what we call tuition scholarship. Almost 100% of doctorate students in graduate school receive full tuition scholarship that includes all fees except for a small student activity fee. So if you apply for a doctorate student and you apply for this university, they are going to give you 100% tuition fee, but the small little fees that is included in the school, you have to pay for it, but 100% tuition fee is going to be given to you. Even a master, if you want to apply for master's program, they will also give you a tuition fee, and also plus they will give you a tuition fee plus a monthly stipend. So as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to study in this year 2025/2026 academic section. University followership and assistantship. Of our doctorate students, 90% receive multi-year followership or assistantship that provide stipend. For 2025/2026 academic year, Notre Dame standard stipend for doctorate students on a 12-month basis. So we are going to list the amount they give to their doctorate students, their PhD students, their engineering students, science students. So for the humanities and social students, they receive $38,000 every year. For PhD students, they receive $39,000. For engineering students, they receive $41,400. For science students, you receive $39,600. For doctorate degree students, you receive $43,500. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to study in this particular school. The graduate school also offers a number of select fellowship that provides support of up to $46,500 per year. So if you want to grab a degree in this wonderful university, all you need to do is for you to come to this website and go ahead and apply for it. They also offer what we call health insurance. So but their particular scholarship is very competitive. So as an international student, you can go ahead and apply for this particular scholarship and funding on time so that you have the opportunity to grab this scholarship. You can go to the website, you will see where it's written apply. You can go ahead and click on it and apply for this particular university. So you can go through and see the application process for this university. Once you come to the application process, if you already have an account, you can directly log into the website. But if you don't have an account, you can create a new account. So if you come here to create your account, you can put your email address, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and continue. So you can walk you through the registration process. It's an easy process to register for it. So once you register for it, you can go ahead and do what and apply for the scholarship. I can put you through to register for this particular scholarship. So you can just put your email address here. You say my is Gloria Ogechukwu 58. Sorry, Gloria Ogechukwu 58 at gmail.com. So you can put your first name and you put your date of birth. You can put your date of birth. So make sure you go ahead and apply for it. You can put your date of birth and go ahead and apply for it. So they will walk you through the process of applying for this particular scholarship. It's very easy. So once you put all those things, they are going to send a notification to your email. You can go to your email and confirm the temporary pin they are going to send to you. So once you put the temporary pin, you repeat the date of birth you put at the initial when you started this application, and you go ahead and apply for this particular scholarship. It's very easy to apply. Once you apply for it, by the grace of God, they are going to option you for this particular scholarship. So this particular scholarship is an easy scholarship because once you apply for the school will give you an automatic scholarship to study in their school. If you need more of this content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you not miss my next update. If you subscribe, please share this video and like my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.